Hello aspirants, in this video I will explain the complete VITEE counseling process 2026 step by step. If you qualified VITEE or are expecting admission in VIT, this video will help you understand registration, choice filling, seat allotment and the admission confirmation. VITEE counseling is an online seat allocation process for BTech admissions across all VIT campuses. Seats are allotted based on your VITEE rank, your selected course and campus preferences, and the seat availability. The VITEE exam will be conducted from April 28th to May 3rd. Results are expected in the second week of May and counseling will begin soon after the results and will continue in multiple phases until July. To participate in counseling, you must qualify VITEE 2026. Have at least 60% aggregate in physics, chemistry and maths or biology and meet the age criteria. First, visit the official VIT counseling portal and register yourself using your application number and rank. Then pay the counseling fee of Rs 5,900. Without paying this fee, you cannot participate in the seat allotment. Next is choice filling. Select your preferred campuses and branches in order of priority. It is recommended to fill at least 25 preferences to increase your chances. Once logged, choices cannot be changed. You must upload and verify important documents such as your VITEE rank card, class 10th and 12th mark sheets and other required certificates. You must upload and verify important documents such as your VITEE rank card, class 10th and 12th mark sheets and other required certificates. Seats are allotted based on your rank, preferences and availability. You can check your allotment result on the official portal. If you are allotted a seat, you must pay the admission fee before the deadline. Otherwise, your seat will be cancelled. The counseling is conducted in multiple phases based on your rank. Higher rank students participate first, followed by other rank groups. After confirming your seat, report to the allotted campus, complete document verification and begin your academic journey at the VIT.